So now let's see how we can use filters inside of Google Sheets. So here you can see that I got a table with some bunch of data on it. And in order to use the filter view, we can go around and select a topic right here. Let's say, for example, I want to add a filter on price. So I'm going to go around, click on price and click on this little filter icon right here. Click on it and the filter is applied. And here you can see that now there's a drop down menu. And let's say I want to view items with just $100 and $150 range. I can uncheck these right here, press OK, and there you go. That is how it filters that out. And let's say I just want to filter out by name as well. And over here, I just want to filter out the things with PlayStation on it. So I can uncheck both right here. So let's just go around and search. So if you have many data, you can go around, type in the name of the data you're searching for, click on it, and that is how you can filter it out. Where the filter is applied, you can see that this is perfectly green. Where the filter is not applied, you can see these stripes right here. So you can click on it and select all right here to see everything, select all right here, or clear it out to uncheck all and then see nothing. So that is how you can filter it out. You can also filter over here in by color, sort by color, and so forth. So other things are here as well. So let me just select all and press OK, and this is how I see the data. So let's say I just want to see handheld. I can uncheck the console and I can just see handheld now, just like this. And that is how you can filter it out. If you want to remove the filter, then you simply click on the filter icon right here, and then that is how filter is removed. You want to filter out only a particular section, then you can select this out right here, click on filter, and now what happens is that only that range is filtered out, as you can see, and the other range remains as it is. I can click on the filter again and it goes back to the default option, just like that. You can go around over here and turn on the filter by going on to data as well, and there's the create a filter option just like this, and then that is how it actually works out. So now I'm just going to remove the filter out just like this, and that is how it works. So that is how you can apply out filter and then use filter and then remove filter inside of Google Sheets. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.